Don't be afraid.
Oh, NORAD. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm Xavier. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. Today we're gonna be watching Interstellar. It's a Christopher Nolan film from 2014. Matthew McConaughey, Anna Hathaway, Jessica Chastain in it. And so basically all I know about it from like pop culture and stuff is just like there is a planet they go to, it's slower than on Earth and stuff like that, and there's like a whole robot type thing that I saw like from visual CGI artist react and stuff like color that group. So yeah. Let me read the synopsis. With humanity teetering on the brink of extinction, a group of astronauts travels through a wormhole in search of another inhabitable planet. Sounds intriguing? Let's get into it. Oh, I thought it was rain. It's just dust or ash, that kind of thing.
I got this.
Crossing the street. Shutting it down, Cooper.
Dad?
No such thing as ghosts, babe.
Grandpa says you can get ghosts.
Oh, those are different.
The wheat had died. The blight came and we had to burn it. And we still had corn. We had acres of corn. But mostly we had dust. Steady blow of dirt.
That sounds fun.
What the heck did you do to my
It
lander?
wasn't me.
Let me guess. It was your ghost?
Chalamet's in this.
Record the facts, analyze, get to the how and the why, then present your conclusions. Deal?
Deal.
Sounds like a good deal.
They're saying it's the last harvest for okra. Ever.
Oh.
Find the gear, dumbass.
Grind it!
Shut it, Tom!
Oh!
The tires all.
Murphy's Law.
Shut up!
Grab the spare, Tom.
That is the spare.
Oh. Well, you're in trouble then.
Murphy's Law doesn't mean that something bad will happen. What it means is that whatever can happen will happen, and that sounded just fine with us.
Whoa! Get in. What about the flat tire?
Okay, what's the deal with the drone?
It's an Indian Air Force drone. The solar cells can power an entire farm. Stay on it.
Okay, what's gonna happen here?
Dad?
You almost got it. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Dad!
You're gonna drive off.
You told me to keep driving.
I guess that answers the old if I asked you to drive off a cliff scenario.
Is he controlling it now?
In the world?
Why'd it come down so low?
I don't know. The sun cooked its brain or it was looking for something.
What?
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
This thing needs to learn how to adapt, Murph. Like the rest of us.
Okay. Thanks for the exposition. So it was just like flying around, unmanned, just doing its own thing.
Look, Coop, you have to be realistic.
You're ruling my son out for college now. The kid's 15.
Tom's score simply isn't high enough. Not sure I see what you're getting at.
You're telling me it takes 2 numbers to measure your own ass, but only 1 to measure my son.
Okay, well, right now, we don't need more engineers.
It's an old federal textbook. We've replaced them with the corrected versions,
Corrected.
explaining how the Apollo missions were fake to bankrupt the Soviet Union.
Why?
And if we don't want a repeat of the excess and wastefulness of the 20th century, then we need to teach our kids about this planet, not tales of leaving it.
Before she died instead of afterward. And then she'd have been the one sitting there listening to this instead of me, which would have been a good thing because she was always the calmer one.
Yeah, I figured that's what he was gonna something like that he was gonna say.
Murph got into a fistfight with several of her classmates over this Apollo nonsense.
Because she was right.
See what ideas you might have for dealing with her behavior on the home front.
Yeah, you know what? There's a game tomorrow night. My favorite team's playing. There's gonna be candy and soda. I think I'll take her to that.
How'd it
Love
go?
that. Lovely response.
Got you suspended.
Oh. Yikes.
I counted the spaces.
What?
In case the ghost is trying to communicate.
I know what Morse code is, Murph. I just don't think your bookshelf's trying to talk to you.
I don't think so either. It's definitely something else.
Cooper, you were good at something, and you never got a chance to do anything with it. I'm sorry.
I like what you do. I like our farm.
I'll be great at it.
What is that? A dust storm or something? You can barely see anything. What? Yikes. Wait, maybe this will give them a idea of what's happening.
The ghost.
What is that? What are we supposed to be seeing here? Oh, has he been up all night trying to figure this out? I know I'm asking a lot of questions. But, you know...
It's not a ghost.
Movies trying to...
It's gravity.
Oh, they still have clean water. Well, obviously, because, you know...
Murph, it's
otherwise they'd
binary.
be dead.
Thick is
So-
1, thin is 0. Coordinates.
But you don't know what you're gonna find.
And that is why I can't take you.
Smart. Don't want her getting in trouble. Just you. She's in there with him. I know that. Of course.
You think this is funny? Huh?
You wouldn't be here if it wasn't for me.
Was this some kind of abandoned power station or something like that?
Don't be afraid.
Oh, NORAD. Okay.
Who are you?
Dr. Brand.
I knew Dr. Brown once. He was a professor.
What makes you think I'm not?
Well, it's near as cute either.
Your daughter is fine. Bright kid. Must have a very smart mother. We're NASA.
NASA.
NASA. The same NASA you flew for. Spending on space exploration. Not when you're struggling to put food on the table.
Yeah, that makes sense. I understand why it would be in secret.
The corn will die. Soon.
We'll find a way, Professor. We always have.
And your daughter's generation will be the last to survive on Earth.
Oh, the blight is actually like a thing. Oh, okay. I wasn't getting that before. I get it now.
We need a pilot, and this is the mission that you were trained for. But something sent you here. They chose you.
Well, who's they?
We'll find out.
At a wormhole.
It appeared 48 years ago.
And it leads where?
Another galaxy.
Then they could send out a signal, bed down for the long nap, wait to be rescued.
And what if the world didn't show promise?
Hence the bravery.
Yeah.
There's a plan A and a plan B. Did you notice anything strange about the launch chamber?
No, I've never been in a launch chamber, so I don't know.
Well, this entire facility is a centrifuge. Some kind of vehicle. Space station?
both.
Yeah, what about the people here? You give up on them?
That's why plan A is a lot more fun.
Yeah, I would hope so.
You're asking me to hang everything on an almost.
Yeah.
I'm asking you to trust me. I will have solved the problem of gravity. I give you my word.
I don't think he'll solve it. It'll be someone else who solves it. Like Murphy, probably.
Mankind was born on Earth. It was never meant to die here.
Lofty words.
We'll be all right, but you gotta make things right with Murph.
I will.
Without making promises you don't know you can keep.
Yeah, cause you don't know if you'll survive. Oh well, she did a lot there. That's why I couldn't get in. Alright, I get it. I understand that.
I can't be your ghost right now. I need to exist. They chose me.
Yeah.
If they chose me, you saw it. You're the one who led me to them. By the time I get back, we might even be the same age. You and me. What?
You have no idea when you're coming back.
Right.
No idea. Oh!
I'm coming back.
That's suspicious.
Trouble safe, yeah?
Go for our main engine. Start. Team up.
Yeah. She's not there this time.
Hey.
You're too late, Murph. It's already gone.
5. Main engine. Start. 4. 3. 2. 1. Booster ignition and... Good. Plenty of slaves for my robot colony.
Give him a humor setting so he'd fit in better with his unit.
A giant, sarcastic robot.
Fun.
What a great idea.
Yes.
Yeah, you can use it to find your way back into the ship after I blow you out the airlock.
Sure, humor setting, Towers.
That's 100%.
Let's bring it on down to 75, please.
Stage 2, separation.
We're going to be spending a lot of time together.
We should learn to talk.
Emma not to.
Oh. Okay.
Being honest.
I don't think you need to be that honest.
Absolute honesty isn't always the most diplomatic, nor the safest form of communication with emotional beings.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Valid. I get it. Very cool shot. I like it. Very cool. I don't know, I just like it. The visuals are appealing to me, you know?
Hey, you okay?
Yeah.
You alright? Okay, I think we have some Dramamine in the hat pot. I'm just gonna go get that.
Hey, Brown?
Yeah.
Bring a lot.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage against the dying of the light.
I've heard this before, I don't...
Though wise men at their end, no dark is right. Because their words had forked no lightning, they do not go gentle into that good night. Rage against the dying of the light.
Yeah, I've heard that before. I don't remember where though. It's definitely something I've heard in some kind of media before. Need to look it up after.
Of what might sustain human life.
Ooh! Interesting way to fall asleep.
Dr. Mann, well, he's remarkable. He's the best of us. This crew represents the best of humanity.
Even me, huh?
And what, we agreed 90%?
She's already making fools of her teachers, so maybe she should come and make a fool out of you.
Sure, like that.
The next time you hear from Cooper, they'll be coming up on Saturn.
Okay, and then when they go through the wormhole, that's when the time distortion is crazy. What is that? Is that the ship? No, that's not the ship. Why? That's just the probably just something in the rings.
As stubborn as her old man. We'll try again next time.
Damn. That sucks. Like a whole 10 months and still.
Can we stop the spinning? Why? Because we're close enough to see it now.
Yeah, he hates the spin. I think I'd be with him too, cause he'll.
A wormhole bends space like this, so you can take a shortcut through a higher dimension, which turns a wormhole into 2 dimensions. A circle. It's a circle in 3 dimensions.
A sphere.
Exactly.
Ah.
Circle hole.
Intriguing. Thank you for the explanation.
Here in one piece, Rom.
Smart. You never know.
The others made it, right? At least some of them.
Okay.
What is that?
It's them. Distorting space-time. Don't!
Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Oh, it was literally in there with them.
We're here.
Gotta say that was very pleasing. Not very pleasing. It was very cool and interesting sonically with the sound design and everything. Yeah, I like that.
And a black hole that big has a huge gravitational pull.
How did she make it then?
Very good question.
Every hour we spend on that planet will be 7 years back on Earth.
We take a wider orbit around Gargantua, parallel with Miller's planet, outside of this time shift to here. We're in, we're out, we lose a little fuel, but we save a whole lot of time.
That'll work.
There's not gonna be time for monkey business or chit-chat down there. So Tars, you should definitely stay here. Conserve fuel, minimize thrusting, but make sure we stay in range of Miller's planet. You got it?
I wouldn't leave you behind, Dr. Brand.
Wait, I just realized they left Romilly alone. They said 2 years, and he's the guy. I'm not sure.
Cooper, it's too damn fast. I got this.
Trust him.
Spiral down on top of it. Everybody hang on.
Ooh.
700.
500
meters. Fire!
Oh. Nice.
Very graceful.
No, very efficient.
Yep, you made it to one piece. That's important and fast.
Nothing here.
Should be right here.
There's signals coming.
What?
Her beacon.
Did she crash?
Towards the mountains.
She's dead, isn't she?
Those mountains. The waves.
Oh shit.
Yeah, get back on the ship, get back on the ship, get back on the ship. Wow.
Brand Doyle, back to the Ranger now.
We're not leaving without her data.
Brand, get back here now! Come on, Case has it. Get back here, Doyle.
Get into it! Come on! Whoa! 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 Everybody safe?
Case is problem!
Too waterlogged. Let it drain.
God damn it!
I was trying to do the right thing.
You tell that to Doyle. What happened to Miller?
She's dead.
Broken up by a wave soon after impact.
How's the wreckage stay together after all these years, huh?
Because of the time slippage.
Yeah, that was probably like a few minutes ago.
We just landed hours ago. She probably just died minutes ago.
And now we're stuck here till there won't be anyone left on Earth to save.
I'm counting every minute, same as you, Cooper.
Her dad.
That led us here. They communicate.
With gravity.
With gravity, right? Yes. Could they be talking to us from the future?
Another wave.
Engines up!
Woo! Surfing the wave. Poor Doyle. They messed up and he's dead.
I've waited years.
How long?
23 years, 4 months, 8 days.
Oh my lord.
Doyle?
23 years! It's just supposed to be like 2.
But I was prepared. I knew the theory. Reality's different.
And Miller?
No.
We've got years of messages stored.
Cooper.
Messages span 23 years.
Hey, Dad. Checking in. This Curlick's still giving me C, so... down, but, second's not bad. Name's Lois. Sarah right there. Murphy still grabbed his car. She crashed it. Hey, Dad. Your grandpa.
Oh.
But Lois says, maybe next time.
Okay, this explains the crying, the GIF meme I've seen.
My grandpa. My grandpa's okay.
Sorry it's been a while. Her grandpa died last week. We buried him out in the back 40 next to Mom, and all these messages are just drifting out there in the darkness. I have to let you go.
You better not.
I guess letting you go. Bye.
Oh, she sent a message.
Hey, Dad. But today's my birthday. And it's a special one because you once told me that when you came back we might be the same age. And today I'm the age you were when you left.
Damn.
This might be a real good time for you to come back.
I didn't mean to intrude. I talk to Amelia all the time.
Of course she's working for Nassano.
With respect, Professor, we've tried that hundreds of times.
It only has to work once, Murph.
Very true. Once you find the golden one, yeah.
Time.
Is she gonna use gravity?
Edmund's letter is better, but Dr. Mann is the one still transmitting, so...
We've no reason to suspect Edmund's data would have soured.
As does Dr. Mann's.
Cooper, this is my field. And...
You're gonna make the decision?
I really believe Edmund's is the better prospect.
Why?
Well, and the same thing on Mann's.
Because of the black hole. We should vote.
Well, if we're going to vote, there's something you should know. She's in love with Wolf Edmonds.
Is that true?
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
makes me want to follow my heart. It has to mean something.
Love has meaning, yes. Social utility, social bonding.
Maybe it means something more, something we can't understand. Maybe it's some evidence, some...
Not right now, lady. Not right now.
Love is the one thing we're capable of perceiving that transcends dimensions of time and space. Maybe we should trust that, even if we can't understand it yet.
Nah, I don't think so.
TARS, chart a course for Dr. Mand.
Like, he lost his father-in-law and his son has given up. Like, you love Dr. Edmonds? Okay, I don't care right now. We're going with the best prospect, okay? Sorry.
The dust. Good look at his lungs.
Yeah, it's gotta be messed up. Trust me. Bronchitis? Oh, another dust storm. On the way.
You might have to decide between seeing your children again and the future of the human race. I trust you'll be as objective then.
Will he be? Huh?
I let them all down.
No, you got us so far. Real close.
Yeah, he wasn't...
Finish what you started.
Good.
Like I said, he was only gonna be the one to solve it.
And I think there was no need for him to come back.
What?
To not go and to...
No. You can't leave. No. You knew. This was all a sham. To starve.
Whoa. Okay, so basically, Plan B is the real plan. Plan A is just like they basically are just that's just a guess.
Frozen cloud.
Ah, frozen cloud. Oh my. Coming here was a bad decision, wasn't it? Oh! Matt Damon is Dr. Manhawk.
Just how good it can be to see another face.
How long has he been here?
You have literally raised me from the dead.
Lazarus.
Whoa.
We might be sharing this world.
These readings are from the surface.
Ultimately, I decommissioned him and used his power source to keep the mission going.
Dr. Brand, I'm sorry to tell you that your father died today. He had no pain. Did my father know too? Dad? I just want to know if you left me here to die.
No idea what she's talking about.
I do.
Oh.
Well, he never even hoped to get the people off the earth.
No. Solved his equation before I even left. You need more.
More what?
More data. You need to see into a black hole. Evolution has yet to transcend that simple barrier. We can care deeply.
Yeah, it's
about
right.
those we know, but that empathy is beyond our line of sight.
But the lie.
A very awful lie.
Monstrous lie.
Unforgivable.
Yeah.
Their case is hopeless.
No.
No, we are the future.
It's half the answer.
How do you find the other half?
Out there, a black hole. Stuck down here on Earth.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Brand gave up on us. I'm still trying to solve this.
So,
you gotta send a message to your father, I guess.
do you have an idea?
I think that's what she's gonna do.
Felt like a person.
was trying to tell me something. We're running out of time.
Wait, is a message from our father?
Cars! 72 hours, yeah?
Roger that, Cooper.
Something's gonna go wrong in this part here, so.
Secure those modules. My work's done here. I'm going home.
It's bad. They cannot stay here.
Man is gonna do something. What's he gonna do?
I thought I was prepared to die. Nothing worked out the way it was supposed to.
Let's go.
What is this?
See, I knew.
Let me make something abundantly clear. You have a responsibility.
Whoa!
Coop, get her stuff. She's going home.
Dad didn't raise you to be this dumb, Tom.
Dad didn't raise me. Grandpa did.
There's no surface.
No.
You fucking coward.
Yeah.
It's up to me.
You're gonna save everybody.
She's gonna try.
Nobody's going with you.
You gonna wait for your next kid to die?
Get out.
No.
I'm here. I'm here for you.
No, you're not.
Get away.
Oh.
Person to access function.
Don't do it. It's gonna be like a.
Nuts are free.
She's burning the crop. Oh wait, oh, is she doing that to...
Data makes no sense.
I think she was doing that to drive him away. So she can go back to the house.
Robbery, do you make me robbery?
Please don't make
He'd ruin us?
He is ruining us.
Yeah, he is right now. Actively.
Upstairs, you go wait by the car.
Oh, the tension is just ratcheted up.
Dr. Mann, please respond.
What's your trust setting, Tars?
Lower than yours, apparently.
Not attempt docking. I repeat, do not attempt docking.
Gonna get himself killed. Of course. The music is just, yeah. Nice, nice. I love it. I love it.
Override.
Unauthorized.
That's why they told you not to try it. You're in a hurry. It's not gonna go well.
Imperfect contact.
Override.
It's got, why are you trying to override it? It's not perfect. You're gonna get killed.
I repeat, do not open the hatch. If you open the hatch, the airlock will depressurize.
He's not thinking straight.
What happens if he blows the airlock?
Nothing good.
Yeah, I can tell you that. I'm sure that.
For Cooper's life, this is about all mankind.
So they're gonna have to go through the back
Moment.
hole.
It is nuts.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Debris, debris, get away, get away, get away.
Cooper, what are you doing?
Docking.
It's not possible.
No, it's necessary.
I thought they were just gonna use the ranger to shoot to the black hole. I guess they got to dock on the ship and then use the ship to do it.
Initiating spin.
He's gonna pass out.
We are locked.
Yes!
Engines on! And for our next trick,
You don't have to be good. We're heading into Gargantua's pool.
Yeah. You have to lock off that section. I hope they can.
We're slipping towards Gargantua. Shall I use main engines?
No. We're gonna let it slide as far as we can. We don't have enough life support to make it back to Earth, but I think we can scratch our way to Edmund's planet.
Once we've gathered enough speed around Gargantua, we use Lander 1 and Ranger 2 as rocket boosters. Push us out of the black holes of gravity.
Why does TARS have to detach?
Oh, we have to shed the weight.
Humans have ever figured out of getting somewhere is to leave something behind.
See, I don't have to ask him to do anything.
Like he said. Is she interacting? So I'm thinking, is TARS sending back the message? Gotta say, this is beautiful visual work.
Well, this little maneuver is gonna cost us 51 years!
You don't sound so bad for pushing 120! Goodbye, Tars.
Goodbye, Dr. Brent. See you on the other side, Coop.
Prepare to detach.
What? No! No! Cooper!
3.
Cooper, what are you doing?
Newton's third law. You gotta leave something behind.
Resources for both of us.
We agree to 90%.
Damn.
Tars, do you read me? It's all blackness.
Computer's going down.
Yep. Figured they would eventually. Eject into what? Woo! Whoa. The bookcase. Wow, wow. So he has to try and find the right bookcase. Bookshop, whatever, I don't know, man.
Yes.
Stay.
Homer.
I'm sorry, I'm not speaking, but it's just captivating. How is she gonna figure this out?
Make a mistake.
But you won't.
Make a mistake, Murph.
You gotta do something else, man. You gotta do something else.
Don't let me leave, Murph! No!
This is amazing acting by Matthew McConaughey, by the way. He's tearing it up.
It was you.
Yeah. It was him. She's locked in.
Gravity. To send a message.
Yeah.
Gravity can cross the dimensions, including time.
Apparently, they didn't bring us here to change the past.
We're here to communicate with a three-dimensional world. We're the bridge.
Yep. Bridge it up, man. Bridge it up.
I thought they chose me.
But you chose yourself.
They didn't choose me, they chose her.
For what, Cooper?
Oh, my bad.
To save the world.
The watch. That's it. We code the data into the movement of the second hand.
Cooper, what if she never came back for it?
She will.
She will. Dot, dot. Dash. Dot.
Dad's gonna save us.
Okay. Wow, alright. Whoa! Okay. Is he gonna die? I think he's gonna die now. Oh! It was him! Yeah, I saw like two
Mr. Cooper.
lights. He's in the future?
Actually, you are 124 years old.
Whoa!
Where am I?
Is that the space station?
Cooper Station.
What nice you to name it after me.
Nope. Your daughter.
Set the plate upside down.
Ah, they're old elves.
She did confirm just how much she loved farming. Honesty, new setting, 95%. Humor, 75%.
Confirmed.
Okay, yeah.
Self-destruct T minus 10, 9.
Let's make that 60%.
Knock, knock.
You want 55?
Yeah, chill out, man. It's gotta be wild, man.
It was me, Murph. I was your ghost.
Yep, he was.
I know.
Of course, she knows.
Nobody believed me, but I knew you'd come back. She's out there.
Yeah, he didn't make it. But they were meant to go for man.
She's settling in for the long nap.
Because there's something in the background coming in our direction. Oh yeah, they needed to go to man to be able to get the things wrong so they could transmit across time. Nolan knows what he's doing, man. Knows what he's doing. Okay, so that was Interstellar. Gotta say, great piece of filmmaking. Out of the box. No, I'm away. So basically, okay, so I understand. I got two new content. I got context with two memes here. The one where he's knocking on the bookcase. I didn't realize it was a bookcase before. Yeah, bookcase. Right. I didn't notice it was a bookcase before. I just saw him knocking. I didn't really pay much attention. But now I get the context and I realize, oh, it's Matthew McConaughey who's in that video meme. Also, the scene where he's tearing up crying. Also, now I get the context. Like, wow. Okay, like before I saw the scene where he's crying when he's after he's getting the message that 23 years. After 23 years. So I get the message. And yeah. I understand fully now. That's horrible. You're there. Feeling so much. And it's because because Anne Hathaway's character, Brand, she made one little mistake. She was trying to get the data for no reason, because obviously this planet is just like full. You know what? Can't really say that because there is likely land. I'm pretty sure for there to be waves, you need land. Also, I don't know, but I'm assuming so. And so you needed to just you had to prioritize the mission, prioritize everybody else, and Doyle got killed, and they delayed their mission by decades because she wanted to go back for the data that, like, she was just there for Mila was only there for like she said, hours. What possible data could she have collected in that time? It was stupid, absolutely so silly, and she cost them so much, so much. It worked out to be timed to Murphy being able to understand the message, but it got Doll killed and Romney got killed, and the movie, it just kind of zips past those. And also Tom, it kind of zips past him a bit, you know, with the thing. Oh, let me do this thing before I forget about the quotes. Hold on, let me check. Go into the good night. Go into that good night. Yeah, this. Do not go gently into that good night. Is this it? Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage against the dying of the light. Wait, did I hear that in my Oxford year? Hold up. What a connection if it is my Oxford year. Well, let me see Google. References in film. Film is from a reference in Interstellar. Okay, right. Can't figure that out right now. Anyway, let's go back to this. Right. So Tom, obviously, I've either probably figured out that Tom was dead by the time he saw Murphy, but to not, like, for us to not hear him ask like, when, like, say, when did Tom go, or how long has Tom been gone, something like that, but to just cut that. And it did feel the deaths in the movie kind of felt glossed over. Man, I can see, okay, I understand that Romilly it just like gone, and Doyle, like I didn't even realize. Initially I thought, oh, he's dead. Then I was like, oh no, maybe he just no, he died. So I will knock down the movie a peg for that. Do I think it could have been tight? They were hearing me wanting more exposition and then saying, maybe it's like a little bit too long, but then, will I have cut anything? Maybe. I trust Nolan's here, but if anything, he should have probably made it like a couple minutes longer to include those scenes for me, because I think it would have fleshed out the movie more. You feel me? But let me just break it down. Okay, so basically it's like a thing where the Earth at this point is just like near extinction level. There's like this disease or something that's just consuming everything except corn, and eventually corn, it also seems like it is on the downturn. So NASA has been working in secret to figure out to get people off the planet, because everything they've been trying to get the world back up on its feet is not working, and so only solution is to start somewhere else. So two plans. Plan A, bring the survivors to that new place that they find it. B, find a new place, start anew there. And apparently plan B was the main idea, because they just couldn't figure out the second part of the equation to get everything working. And so that's what the humans in the future sent Matthew McConaughey's character Cooper into the past at various points to transmit the message to ensure that the future is a thing that becomes. Yeah, that's basically it. And Matthew Cooper is just like a person who is like an engineer, pilot, all this thing, and no use for skills now. Just need farmers, people to till the earth, because we have a food problem. So everything is like beaten up, like people who could have been gathered into like engineer mechanics and all that. They only need enough mechanics to get the equipment and work stuff fixed and all that, so that was the main point. So on the journey, people died, right? Like I said, I had a problem with how they dealt with the death. Professor Brand, he's dead. Okay, I get that, but then everybody else, they dealt with this dead fine, but everybody else kind of, I'm not too sure. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so what we judge on the music and the sound design, amazing, brilliant. The tension was right at the points. Sound design was amazing. You could hit, but the tension was tensioning at the right point. The suspense was suspensed at the right point, and you felt light and just like hopeful and the ominous and everything at the right point. So good job there. Acting, obviously, story, acting, everyone did a great job. Matthew McConaughey knocked it out of the park. Tour de force in this, like in these emotional scenes, and he's crying and everything. Yeah, this was a Matthew McConaughey Rico, and he did this thing. magnificent. And story. The only thing I have the story is like some of the choices they make with the editing that's cut out. I'm sure they dealt with this in the script, but like cut out. So I have to knock the story down a bit. Like I can't give it like a full mark. I have to knock it down a few bit because like I said, I have to complain about that. And there are some other things in there that bother me, but not just to detract from my enjoyment. Can't think of them right now, but two other way go together, excuse me. But it was overall everything connected. It made sense, so everything flowed through. I get it, so I'm not gonna knock it there, but it just some things never. I just never like some of the decisions they made, so I have to knock it down a bit. But overall, I rated this like a 4 out of 5 on Letterboxd. I was gonna give it like a 4.5, but nah, I'm gonna think so. So yeah, 4 out of 5. Like I said, it's like an 8 out of 10. Very good movie. Another Nolan piece of film that is amazing. The dude knows what he's doing. Like almost every movie, I don't think I've seen a bad Nolan movie. Some I don't like as much as others. Like Dunkirk, it was good. I wouldn't rate it as much as like say The Dark Knight, and I don't rate The Dark Knight Rises as much as The Dark Knight and all that. So, and all of them have been above average. Because the dude is a filmmaker, he knows what he's doing. What was the last Nolan movie I saw before this? Hold on, I don't remember. Hold on. Christopher. Oh, Oppenheimer, right? That's the last thing I saw before this. And Oppenheimer was brilliant. So there are some more Nolan movies I have yet to see. Like Tenet, The Prestige, Memento. Yeah, so I have to check out more of his filmography on the channel. So that's an aim. Yeah, but I think that's all I have to say for this movie right now. I get it. It's kind of long, but I get why it's long because you have to. It might have been tightened up. Not too sure. But yeah, so all of those little things that are kind of bothering me about it is why I'm not to give it a 4.5 or a 5. But yeah, otherwise, very good movie. Great experience. It did its thing. And those are my thoughts. Goodbye.